Hi ma'am, hi sir. I am Jonah. I am 49 years old. I am married woman. I have 4 sons. My first job as a working domestic helper in Saudi since 2016 until 2018. And then my second working as domestic helper here in Hong Kong since 2019 until 2025. My first job here is caring eldest and my second job here also is caring eldest. And then I know how to carry the newborn baby because I have already 4 sons. And then I am trustworthy, I am working, I am more patient and loving and caring. But it's okay me if I have a co-workers. And then I prefer job, any job does not matter. Thank you.